Vitamix B12. Para excited.
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Rita Pascalan, Ibilabia. Up to 12 hours relief. Naproxen sodium is the generic name of Scalan. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Just got better.
Picture na siya.
Dapat 11 tayo isa-set mo. Hindi mo lang chat siya.
Pero 12 o'clock daw eh. Ano 12 mo?
So, magpapacheck kami ngayon ng
Thesis paper namin. Tama, malinis na yung wallpaper ko. Wala na siyang gawa ng anong files.
putla ko na. Kakatapos lang ng socksai.
Ay, dyan sila.
Kain muna kami. Ayan na. Tuna pesto. Magka-class na kami. Walang tao sa kabilang row.
Kaya punta tayo sa patient. Unang-unang araw ko, guys.
Hi guys! Dalawang classes done! Tapos na kami sa social psych and sa clinical psych. Research 1 na lang, which is yung thesis subject namin. Hi guys! Thesis na po kami.
Ako nitong college.
Antok na siya. Hi guys! Nagre-revise na ako ng parts ng papers na kaya kong i-revise. Ito siya. Ayan. Chapters 1 to 3 na to. Marami siyang notes na kailangan i-consider. So, yeah. Ito yung folder na nabili ko. Ano walang... Ayan. So, i-revise namin yan hanggang Tuesday next week. We have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Pero syempre may mga kasabay kami mga quiz, mga iba pang subjects na requirements. And dahil medyo stress ako, nagpabili ako kay Papa. Binili ako ni Papa ng jelly hotdog. And peach mango pie na nakain ko na. Kamusami! Hi guys! We're going to be buying lunch na muna kasi magla-lock in na kami after lunch. Diba lahat sila naka-block? Di nila ako sinabihan.
Sorry. Di nagbasa sa G's kaya.
Lagi nila ako din nagbabasa ng GC. We're buying dinner na Hao-Chin and Siomai House. We're going to change locations to change environment. Kapag pasok na FB.
Ay, gusto ko na lang. Wag na kaya.
I am going to be cutting the vlog short, or like I'm going to cut it here na. Because it's actually Sunday already, and I didn't really get to vlog a lot during the whole week because we were really overwhelmed with the workload. So, the past few days, nakafocus lang talaga kami sa pag-polish ng thesis namin because today is February 2, and yung due date kasi ng final revisions namin for our title proposal defense is on February 6. So, we have until Thursday to submit that. Actually, medyo madami-dami pa kaming kailangan ayusin, but overall, we've made 70% of the progress and 30% remaining, and then proofreading, and then the other remaining appendices that is needed. So, ipiprint pa kasi siya during Tuesday. Actually, we're going to be printing it on Wednesday. So, Tuesday yung last day. So, we have Monday and Tuesday left to do that. So, ngayon, kaninang morning or kaninang tanghali, nakauwi na sila. Tapos na kami maggawa ng mga parts namin for chapters 1 and chapter 3. But yung chapter 2, dagdagan pa namin yon. And the rest is history. So, ayun. Basically, for tonight, I will just be cleaning a little bit because that's my kind of free therapy, magligbit. And I will also be watching a little bit of Netflix. At the same time, I will try to do some of my readings as well since may mga quizzes din ako upcoming this week. So, pinag-compile ko na lang for this vlog lahat ng clips na kaya ko i-compile na na-video ko from school, from our thesis making, from outside. So, basically, that's it. That's why this vlog is really, really short. So, I still hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, I promise that I will try my best to get more clips in the next busy days. Pero itong mga nakaraang araw talaga, it was really impossible for me to hold my phone and start a video kasi it was really a lot for us. Especially for me and my group mates. So, yeah, I will be ending the vlog here and see you in the next video.